Hello friends, how are you? My name is Arun. In this video, I'm going to discuss about Infosys Java interview questions. So first, they took normal interview, normal round. So after that, they arranged one interview with the client. In the client round, almost 3 to 4 persons are there. So I know they have experience and more than 15 years or 15 to 20 years of experience they are having, and they have hands-on experience on that. And the first question was, what is the composition and abstraction? So I explained about composition and abstraction. The second question is, how to find out first non-repeated character in a given string. So that means they have given one string str equal to example. So output is x. Y means if you take e, it is non-repeated string is I mean it's a non-repeated character, so E already repeated at the end, right? So it's not. So if you take X, so it's not repeated. So that's why X is the non-repeated string. And they asked first non-repeated. If you take A is also non-repeated. But why X means X is the first non-repeated character in the given string. So they asked me how to write this program. So I used maps and kind of thing. I used one map. By using map, I have written the program. I mean, they asked me to write the program. I opened the notepad. In the notepad, I have written the program. And one more solution also there, by using for loop also, you can iterate the entire string and you can do that one. So in our video site is also there. If possible, I'll try to give that program in the given description as well. And they asked me what is the time complexity and this kind of things. And after that, the third question was, how to find out third highest number in a given list of numbers. They asked me to open the notepad, and in the notepad they asked me to write the logic. So I know the logic is, using one for loop, we can do that one. That means first, I mean, already I did it. I know the logic for a second highest number. First, we need to find out the maximum highest number, and after that, we need to compare. We need to compare each and every element, and then we can find the second highest element. So in this one, they asked me third highest number. So same logic we can do that one, and one more if condition we need to put it, so we'll get it. But of course, what I did it intentionally, I have using bubble sort, I have written the logic. And I displayed the third highest number. They asked me what is the time complexity and all these things. They asked me. I explained that thing. So coming to fourth question, it's almost 30 to 40 minutes. Like discussion happened on this in this one. So what is hashing in Java and what is collision? What hash code will do? What dot equals will do? How hash map will work internally? If collision occurs, how records will be inserted. So how to retrieve the data if collision happens, and what are the solutions for to avoid the collision. So almost 30 to 40 minutes of discussion happened. I explained very clearly because it's a very good concept. Hashing, I mean hashing is. So I explained very well. They accepted, okay. And coming to fifth question, how are you maintaining profiles in Spring Boot? What is, I mean, profiles, we have dev properties, and we have UAT properties, we have, prod properties. Like for each and every environment, we'll maintain a separate profile, right? So how we are going to, configure all these things. So I said, in our current project, we are using, we are configuring the server side. In a server configuration file, we are configuring. So it will get it from the based on the environment, we will get it from the server. And one more thing, by using in application properties also, we can do this one. We can set the properties like something dot environment something is there, we can do that one. I can go through that one. And they asked me about what is CLI in Spring Boot, and I explained that. So that's it, friend. That's it for this interview. If you want solutions, or if you want answers for those questions, please let me in the comment section. Definitely I'll try to make a separate video on that. That's it, friends. That's it for this video.